In last lecture we had seen how to find the equation of tangent and normal using the derivative. Now in this part, if you have to be any doubt, you crop the example and send me. Now we will see here how to find the other values and other applications using the derivative. Rate and measures, it is one part of the application of derivative. Now here in the rate of measures, physical examples means related with the displacement, velocity and acceleration. We can find the derivatives of these corresponding quantities. Here we know that velocity is a rate of change of displacement with respect to time, and acceleration is rate of change of displacement, rate of change of velocity with respect to time. And using this form, we have to find some examples. We have to solve some examples on this part as shown below here. Now if S is the displacement of a particle, then rate of change of displacement with respect to time is a velocity denoted by ds upon dt, and the rate of change of velocity is with respect to time is called as acceleration denoted by d2s upon dt square, means second order derivative of displacement, which is the first order of velocity. So dv upon dt, if you can use d2s upon dt square or dv by dt. Now we will see the example in this way. A particle is moving in a such way that s is equal to 2t square plus 5t plus 20, which is always the equation of the displacement, means function of displacement. There, then find the velocity of and acceleration in 25 seconds, means the function of displacement is given as s is equal to 2t square plus 5t plus 20. Now differentiate with respect to time. ds upon dt is equal to 4t plus 5. Therefore v is equal to 4t plus 5 is equal to 4. Now we have to see in the 2 seconds. Therefore 4 into 2 plus 5. So 4 to the 8 plus 5, 30 units per second. Now we had got velocity v is equal to ds upon dt as 13 units per second. Now how to find the acceleration? Acceleration is equal to area. A is a symbol of acceleration, rate of change of velocity with respect to time, dv upon dt. So therefore we can get a v is equal to 4t plus 5, then dv upon dt is equal to 4. Acceleration is equal to 4 units per second square, that is the unit of this acceleration. Same way, another one example is in this way. Displacement of a particle at a time t is given by s is equal to 2t cube minus 5t square plus 4t minus 3. Then find the time when acceleration is 14 units per second square and the velocity and the displacement at that time. Here we have to take, therefore displacement s is equal to 2t cube minus 5t square plus 4t minus 3. Differentiating with respect to t, we can exist the derivative as ds by dt, which is the velocity, 2 in bracket 3t square minus 5 into 2t plus 4 constant derivative 0. Now this is the dv by dt, ds by dt, which is velocity, means v is equal to ds by dt is equal to 6t square minus 10t plus 4. This is velocity we had got here. Now therefore here differentiate again with respect to time. Therefore a is equal to dv upon dt is equal to 12t minus 10. Now but a is equal to, we had given, therefore a is equal to 14 feet per second square. Now for 12 into t minus 10 is always a given acceleration. So 12 t is equal to 24, so t is equal to 2 seconds, and the velocity is equal to 6t square minus 10t plus 4. So 6 into 2 square, 2 is second. So we had got the existing value of velocity, as well as substituting this value we can exist value as a s is equal to 1 feet. That is the displacement of the particle. In this way you have to find the corresponding rate, velocity, displacement and acceleration using the derivative.